So your team won. How did you see their performance?
Charlie, we see the team. In this one, they support team. For support team, where them everything them they do be just see the players who carry come inside. New team, even new team you carry score has 2-1. And 2% I'm saying this season, the forwarders when they can win the league this season, they go Africa, they go conquer Africa. This is the fabulous.
Say why you catch them? Has a for play. You catch them, say you catch them, say you real man a day. A real that you told new players, but the hair body abo. Kotoko you the Nyamiasi, see I get 3 points, you get camp, you say go US. To be for the passport, you go US. Team no. I did have back on the say. Many I'm go for Baso Medisa match way. Because has look at match a serious game. Now has some go for about na so Medisa match way. Referee the way city match no. 50-50 ball be na has when you no dey against has to folk from technical to the players, everything is wrong. For 3 good seasons, you've been threatening with relegation. And when you are doing recruitment, you are joking with your recruitment. The midfield of today's game was very bad. We don't have a midfield. Goalkeeping, there's no challenge. The coach was fumbling because there was no one behind him to give him a form of direction to what to do. The assistant coaches there, sorry to say, they are whack.